Hi guys, upgrade time, our spray booth. Got some goodies in, our speed controller. I was going to put these ones in that I had, but I don't think they're going to be strong enough. It only goes up to a certain height. I was going to put one for each fan, but as I say, we're just going to change out for the bigger unit. I did change our switches. The original switches that was in that, the manufacturer says it covers 10,000 cycles off on. Now, I don't think I've ever done 10,000 cycles on this here, to be honest, off and on. They're very flimsy, these ones, the original ones that came with the kit. You know yourselves, these kits are just three together. So I upgraded them for the slightly better ones. They cover 30,000 cycles according to the manufacturer, plus these ones light up. And you turn them off and on. There's a wee dust cover for them as well. This clips on once you get it in. So the M2 are in it now. There are about two extra ones I bought with it. So there's four here altogether. So we're going to get this wired up. You've got a blow function on it, which you'll not be using, and then the suck function on it goes right up to 90. Straightforward wiring. So your power input here from your two adapters, and then those two wires here, terminals, sorry, are for your motors. So we're going to get that into the back somewhere. There's plenty of room where to get it up plugged into it. So bear with me here, and we'll be back in a couple of minutes. So not be long. Okay, so we've got it all stripped down as far as I needed to. So we've got our control unit, which is going up from the other side here, and pop up to the top. So we put a square rectangle, that circumference for it to sit down into on the top of the spray booth itself. So bear with me here, and I'm back in a couple of seconds. We'll see what way it fits up. Right, we've got our square put out. Fits in nice and neat. This one is your power supply. So we're going to stick the guts of this back in again, swing it around, and we'll get it wired up, and we'll see what happens. So back in a second. Okay guys, we've got our first fan wired in. Now this other wire here, I cut it a bit longer, and that through the back end here. We've hit a tool, pull it up through, and wired into the last fan. So we've got it on here. Now, as I said there earlier, you have two settings here. This one will blow out. You not want it to blow out, so disconnected that. This one it's set on at the minute, it will suck. So you go right around till 90. I'll turn it over here and you'll see it. So as I say, the longer wire, we're over here, it's going to have to run right through. So the other side. There's it there. So I just put a pilot hole, should I say, sorry, and wire into the last motor. So we'll turn it on here. See where they're relatively old. I'll tie them up with tie clips. You can turn it all the way down. Like it's sitting at 20%. 70%, 80%, maximum 90%. So we're going to get the other one wired in here now, turn it off again, get the other one wired in, and get it back together again, and we get our new filters on. So we're back in a second. Right guys, done and dusted. I was able to slave off the board here for the other fan rather than having two switches. So actually these switches here are redundant now. So this here turns it off and on, and just the speed of the van. So turn it on. Goes right up to 90%. Slow all the way down, but you don't want to have it slow. I just added this into it just to a bit more suction from it. That's it sitting at 30%. 20. We can trickle it right down to 10%. The fans will still spin, but that's a bit pointless. Instead of putting two switches on here for the fan to come on individually, this here does it all. So we'll just put a self-topper in it and held it in place, and it's done its job. So we're going to stick it around now, get it all plumbed into the vents again, the window there, and then stick new filters on it if I have any left. So I'll be back in a second. I've no new filters, but I'm going to order some. So this is the control, speed control I got off Amazon. You want to pause it there, you can read it, what it does, what the specs are. It's 16 quid. So the switches it was used, the R11 switches. That's one of the new ones, and that's one of the old ones. So there you go guys, done and dusted. That's the thickness you want to cut out of your spray booth. It's about 4 or 5 mm. Just use the Dremel with a wee tooth blade, circular blade on it. I've done a job. Right guys, hopefully you found that a bit useful. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all later. Bye.